फरहान अख्तर joins UN Women's He for She movement जो encourage करते हैं men to stand up for women against discrimination of any sort। अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के थ्रू भी फरहान काफी समय से इस कॉज के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। इतना ही नहीं, फरहान ने सॉन्ग्स और पोएम्स के थ्रू लोगों को समझाया है the importance of respecting women and treating them right। वहीं यहाँ फरहान अख्तर को जो पूछा गया फिल्मों में वुमेन के ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन के बारे में, उनका ये कहना था।
I think there's many films being made which are with author-backed roles for women. Where women are playing a lot more important parts than what we saw maybe about 10-15 years ago. It's not just about romances anymore. They're parts of drama, very different kinds of films. So yes, absolutely. And we have a lot more female filmmakers now. So that in itself will start changing the kind of films that are being made.
Well, Farhan says that it's not only an actor's but also a director's responsibility while objectifying women in a certain way. लेकिन जब बात आई women के economic empowerment की, जहां हमने फरहान से कहा that even now actresses are being paid less, तो इस सवाल को देखिए कैसे फरहान ने clever humor के जरिए reply किया।
The truth of the fact of the matter is that there are few male actors who get paid more than most male actors as well. So maybe we should change that as well. So.
Well, that was a smart reply. The highest paid actors should take a look at Farhan's answer. वहीं यहाँ मीडिया से बात करते हुए फरहान ने हमें बताया कि कैसे उन्होंने non-controversial सचिन तेंदुलकर को अपनी सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए एम्बेसडर चुना है।
When we spoke to Mard ambassadors, there was Shan, there was Sachin Tendulkar, there was Yuvraj Singh, and for me, they are people again who represent. Firstly, they connect with the youth on a very, very major level. They also are very non-controversial people. They're people who are they're family people. I've seen them with their daughters, like for Sachin in particular. I've seen them with women when they're out and about, and there is a certain degree of just ease and in terms of equal treatment that they resonate in their being.
We hope that you succeed in your social activities and not just Sachin Tendulkar, but many other celebs come forward to support your cause. For Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.